In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the zoom level in Smartsheet, ensuring you can view your sheets with ease and precision. Whether you're working on a detailed project plan or simply reviewing data, knowing how to adjust the zoom can make your experience much more productive and enjoyable. Imagine finding yourself straining your eyes, trying to read tiny text, or perhaps you need a more condensed view to take in the bigger picture. Adjusting the zoom level is a straightforward solution for such scenarios. Let's start by looking at how you can zoom in on your Smartsheet view. If you're using a PC, you can zoom into your sheet by holding down the Control key and pressing the plus key. For Mac users, it's equally simple. Hold the CMD key and press the plus. This will magnify your sheet, making the text and data larger and easier to see. This feature is particularly handy when you're dealing with detailed worksheets where clarity can be a factor. Now, what if you want to get a broader view of your Smartsheet? No problem. To zoom out, press the Control key together with the key on a PC. On a Mac, you'll need to press CMD and then E key. Zooming out will allow you to view more rows and columns at once, providing a comprehensive overview of your data and helping you to get a sense of the full picture without needing to scroll. After you've zoomed in or out for specifics, you might often want to revert your view back to its original setting. To reset your zoom to the default 100% magnification, simply press Ctrl and Z on your PC. For those on a Mac, it's CMD and 0. This will bring you back to the standard view, ensuring that your screen isn't too zoomed in or out, maintaining the balance you're accustomed to. It's worth noting that these shortcuts I've shared are broadly supported and should work seamlessly across all areas within Smartsheet. Whether you're deep within a sheet or focused on a column header, they should do the trick without any hitches. Here's an additional tip for those who like using their mouse or trackpad. You can also adjust the zoom level by simply scrolling while holding the Control key. This is especially useful when you're working within a sheet or have a column header selected, offering an intuitive and quick way to tweak your view with just a turn of the scroll wheel or swipe of the trackpad. To sum up, mastering these shortcut keys and techniques will not only enhance your efficiency, but also your overall comfort level while working in Smartsheet. Practice these steps a few times, and soon enough, adjusting your zoom will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you work smarter and more comfortably in Smartsheet.